This is by far probably the most used and the most inexpensive, useful mod I've done to my Vanagon ever, right? So since I don't smoke and the ashtray just kind of becomes a pit of change and crap, I ended up buying the GoWesty blanking plate. And before I installed it, I'm like, how can I make this more useful, right? And I'm like, oh, I could use it as a phone mount. Well, you see it right there. And since, again, I don't smoke and I don't need the lighter, I put in a battery monitor with 2 USB-A's to power said things. And I run my phone, I've run a tablet here, I can run a second phone here, or a GoWesty, or a GoPro mount if I'm filming like a road trip, or if there's like 5 or 6 people in the van, like I'll face it back this way, just as kind of part of the video. But man, I use this literally every day, and all I did was I centered and evenly spaced some 5/8 inch holes, put some of the RAM mount, the 1-inch RAM mount balls in, and then use the RAM standoffs. And man, these things, like, I can't say enough. Like, they're super stable. They're just great. I mean, I can put the phone or the pad kind of anywhere. If my passenger is navigating, it's easy to swivel, easy to take completely off. Yeah, so I'll link all the parts and everything in the bottom of this, but hey, it was less than 50 bucks and like maybe 30 minutes of work, and it just keeps paying me back.